Kaya sinabi ko na, kailangan ipatupad ang Expanded Career Progression or ECP system para sa ating mga guro sa mga pampublikong paaralan. We established ECP in 2022 through Executive Order number 174. In September of last year, we institutionalized the system to the Career Progression System for Public School Teachers and School Leaders Act. Ito yung batas na nagbibigay sa atin ng kakayahan upang i-implement itong ating bagong programa. Under the ECP system, teachers now have two distinct pathways. It can be classroom teaching or school administration. More importantly, it created new positions, including Teacher 4 to Teacher 7, Master Teacher 5 to 6, and School Principal 5, so that our teachers can advance their careers with a clearer direction. Mula noong August 2025 hanggang ngayong Abril, almost more than 65,000 teachers at school head ang ating na-promote na. Kasama na dito ang 2,121 na teacher at principal dito sa Eastern Visayas na kasama ngayong araw na nag-oath taking. All these promotions are well-deserved and will provide stability for our educators as they advance in their careers. Marami pa po tayong ipopromote sa mga darating na buwan. Kaya uulitin ko po, wala nang teacher ang magre-retire ng Teacher 1.